All right, guys, welcome back. Yes, and we're gonna go straight into Omikami. Let's go, guys, straight into Omikami. So let's just see what's been happening weekly here um, since our last video. So we're on 30.25 million market cap, 1 million liquidity, all locked, 10.64k holders, and we got 252 20.20k in volume that's been trading. Right, so at the moment we're on 3194. We've gone down just a bit, minus 6.36%, 36%. So let's see what's been happening here. Now this is on the 4 hour, guys, and I'm going to show you something here. Right, so I'll just take it, I'm going to blow this right up because this is all we need to know now if you've been following here on Hanson Boss. So from here, the 17th of January, we've come down here. Remember I said we could be following this orange line here or this pink line here. Either way, guys, either way, you just got to stay with the program, and we got to try and see if we can get on this this ride here. So it actually went down as I predicted in my orange channel, and then as someone corrected me in the comments, yeah, it's not orange now. But I did say if it breaks out from the orange, it might connect with the pink up here somewhere, and that's what I've done, and that's what it seems like it's trying to do here. Yeah, so from that 17th here, we've come down here, we've come down here again, the 21st of January, and now it's started to make its way back up. Yes, slowly people are buying, then they're not too sure and they're selling off, buying again, not too sure and they're selling off, buying. So it's going to go up here. I'm predicting it's going to go up here, right up here. I've made a marker here, this light blue marker here around the 26. So I did predict somewhere around here, the 26, but here, if I just move this along here, I'm gonna keep it going here, I'm predicting around the 28th, guys, we're gonna reach this main white thick trend line before it heads back down. On this pink line here, I was a bit too keen here, yeah. So what I'm gonna do for you, yeah, I'm gonna draw it out again, yeah. I'm just gonna highlight it again, which I think is gonna come up here. We can continue from here, but I think it's gonna come up here and reach up here, the 27th, 28th, and then head back down. Try maybe again here, and then head back down here, slowly but surely, yeah, guys. So yeah, this orange line here, I'll just leave in here so you can see what this is getting up to. But I am predicting for Omikami to go back up here to around the 28th, 29th before it heads back down here for the last dump. Yeah, the last dump for Omikami. That is my prediction, guys. Take it as you will, but I've been corrected, and I've been right so far in my mappings here on Omikami. So yeah, people did say they did buy more here. I had a few people saying they bought more down at the low here. Yeah, so now you just want to ride it up, guys. If you're in this Omikami already, you want to ride it up till here around the 28th, 29th. If you're feeling brave, you could sell a bit and come back in later on. But you got to know what you're doing here, guys. You got to be kind of professional. If you've been studying meme coins for a long time, you know they can go either way, yeah, either way. So here, as we go along here, remember here, the bigger picture, yeah, I just blow this up, the bigger picture, we have so many magnet lines here, here, and down here. And if I even go a bit more and I pull this to its limit here, I am predicting somewhere down here, yeah, somewhere down here, end of February, somewhere down these points I think Omikami could go. Yeah, that is my prediction, guys, but that's in the future anyway. So for now I'll just take it as we see it here. We are going up. Yeah, we are going up, guys. So if you want to put in now, it is a good time to put in now. You can make a little raise in your cash earnings here. So this is on the 2 hour here, the 2 hour on the Omikami here. We are going up slowly but surely. Yeah, I think we're going to bubble up here. I can make another chart pattern, and I will do this in a different color as well. But so from here I reckon we could go up here, go up here, go up here again. That's it. Connect with that, come back down, try again, and come back down here. So that is my newest chart prediction here, where I think Omikami is heading. Now I will put that on a green there for the high in Omikami, where I think it's going to go now. That's my new prediction. So if you're in, you're good, because we're going up. If you're not in, it's good to get in down here, guys. It is good to get in here because we're going to go up. If you're feeling brave, well, only the professional, only if you know what you're doing, guys, you can sell a bit off here if you want and come back down here later, because I predict, sorry, one moment, guys, I predict that Omikami, once it's reached this top thick white trend line here, we're going to hit that or go even over that quite a bit, but we're going to come back down here for the rest of February until March. But that is my predictions here on Omikami. Yeah, and shall we look what's happening on the X? We'll just take a quick look here for all the followers of Omikami here on Twitter, the X. So let's see how we look. We're on 79k followers, guys. This is going up day by day, 79k followers, and we have a new video out here just to say that the new platform is coming, and or what is going to be made here. And here is a post from Omikami. Yeah, I'm not going to read it now, but get to know, guys. Get to read. Oh, this was a funny one. I like this one. Let's see. Don't know why the sound is don't know why the sound is gone, but anyway, that was just Trump speaking here, and how Omikami is going to do great, and that's one of the originals. Yeah, so that's another one, guys, to look at here, and yeah, watch that as your ledger, guys. All right, let's just go back now to Ryujin, guys. Ryujin is the other one we're following here on this channel, and let's just see what's happening with Ryujin. If my computer, oh faithful, this laptop will let me. Right, let's see what's happening in Ryujin. Right, we're going to go straight to Ryujin now, and let's see what's happening. So we've got market cap, we're on 9.32 million, 1.5k, 100% liquidity, 9k holders, and 98.69 in volume that's been trading. Okay, we're on 9328 at the moment. Let's just see what's happening here on Ryujin. Okay, let's go forward here. So from this line here, from this low, 19th of January here, we've got this low here. I've made this red trend line here, this red trend line here going up here. So we've tried to go to a high, come back down, hit this trend line, try to go to a high again, hit this trend line, try to go to a high again, hit this trend line, and we're going down. If you can see that, guys, This is a head and it might be a head and shoulders. I'm not, because this is slightly over, but anyway, we've got some trend lines coming down here which could go over and up. So my markers are telling me now that this would be a head, a shoulders, a head, a shoulders, but this one here is actually come above this, so we can cancel that out. So yeah, my other trend line here is this red one here, and it's pointing to this thick purple trend line up here, which is coming from the original high all the way up here, guys. All the way up here is coming up from the original high here. I'll just show it to you. I should have put it on the 4 hour actually, because we'll take all day. Let me just get to the 4 hour for you. So on the 4 hour, right, that's where it's coming from. We're coming from here, guys. So we're following this thick purple trend line here. We'll go back to the 2 hour to see what's happening, and if we can predict where Ryujin is going to go also. So blow this straight up here, and let's have a look what's happening here on Ryujin. So this is where everything is happening here. This is on the 2 hour, as I said. So we've got this red trend line going up here where it meets this thick purple trend line, the main trend line coming down, and we've got another one coming down here. So my prediction is that we've come up here and we're gonna bounce off this line, keep going up this line up to here. Look at the date, guys, look at the date, the 29th of January, roughly around there, 28th, 29th, to where it meets this top trend line. That is the same with Omikami, guys. They're kind of following each other. This one might go first because we are on a lower market cap, so it's not going to take much to push this Ryujin upwards. But as with Omikami, the 28th, 29th, my prediction is it's going to hit this main trend line here, this purple trend line, or even go over it. We can go over it like we've seen in the past. People think it's going to fly up, but it can go over it. But we're going to come back down here and go all the way back down eventually here. If it passes here, February, we could go even down further to the end of February, looking towards the beginning of March. But that is in the future, guys. So all you need to worry about, do you want to get into Ryujin now? If you're in now, good for you. We're going to go up, so you're going to get more money and more cash. If you're not in it now, it is a good time to put in now, because I can see we're going to go up here to around the 28th or 29th, the end of January here, before we end back down. So you could take a bit of profit here, as much as you want, as less as you want. That's your option, guys. And come back down here and buy in, guys, down here, or if it crosses down here. That's what I will do. I'm in both of these already. I am in Omikami and Ryujin already, but I will be taking some profit up here, and hopefully when I see it coming back down here, be putting in even more down here before the big God candle comes down here end of February, beginning of March. That is in my personal opinion only. You need to do your research, guys, but that is what I am saying here on this channel. So let's look at the X and see if we have any new information here on Ryujin. Yeah, so let's go. So Ryujin, we're on 36.4k followers. Nice, that's good. And there it's showing, same with Omikami, the new platform is coming out and the new technology that what they're working on, which is great. It's good to see. And then you got Trump there, and things that Ryujin is saying. Look at that at your leisure, guys. And yeah, we're just waiting for the big one, and we're waiting for these goals to be met before we all get rich. Okay, let's go now. Let's go now. I think I mentioned last week, yeah, all these Trump coins were coming out, Kabbalah coins. We don't mess with the Kabbalah, Cabal coins. Sorry, the Cabal coins we don't mess with, yeah, because you ain't gonna make no money. When you see something go up in the billions in a few days, you're not the only people that make the money is the super rich, because they had the inside know. And you putting in whatever you got, 50, 100 quid, 500, that's not going to maybe make a 1x, or maybe I don't even think that. But the one I was looking at, and I did tell you about it, was the S Trump on WEEF, yeah, not on Sol. We don't talk about Solana here on this channel because it's shit. It's shit. So and there's a lot of pump and dumps on there which we don't like. Anyway, getting back to it, so this one is 2.54 million market cap, 469.7 in liquidity. Remember, 86 is locked, 86% is locked. That's why I like this one. This little green there picture is showing you that it's locked, and we've got 15k holders, so a lot of people are interested in this one. Okay, remember, I'll take you to the 4 first before we go into it. So the 4 hour looks like this, guys. So we came from right up here. What was it? Roughly 29 to 30 mil we came from, and we headed all the way back down, Whoops, what have I done there? All the way back down to here. Let's have a look at this position where we are now, and let's try to see if we can make a bit more cash here on the Super Trump. This coin is called Super Trump, yeah. So in this coin here, I'm going to tell you what I've done. I'm going to be crystal in my words here. Now, I was watching this like a hawk, yeah, because no way I'm getting in up here. I was watching it come down here. Down here, I did put in here. Let's see, I did put in around here. Around here, I put in this bottom here. Now it slowly went back up, sold off. Let me just put this a bit bigger for you. Yeah, so as I was saying, I put in around here, it sold off, went back up, sold off again, dipped below this line, and it's trying to go up, yeah, it's trying to go up. So if you want to get in this one, it could go either way. But I'm thinking it's going to go up before it goes down, yeah. It's going to follow this orange trend line that I've marked here. We'll just follow this one. So that one will go up till around the 1st of February, yeah. That's what I'm in this one already, as I said. You can be in this one if you want. You can make a few gains, but it is going to come back down. If you're not too sure, guys, and if you're a bit tight with your money, I don't blame you, because we want to, save. We don't want to lose out on anything. You can wait till it comes down to here. This is the 7880 magnet line, or not all, and the 6531 magnet line down here. As you can see, we have not touched anywhere down near the bottom while this has been out, yeah. So it has to come down here. It has to come down here, guys, to clear 1 or 2 of these magnet lines. So we could, all right, I'll draw this out. It's a pretty rough. I haven't studied it too deeply, but oh god, my internet is having a laugh now. Hold on a minute. All right, so as I was saying, yeah, I think this super jump here could go up to here to around the 1st of February, the end of January. And if we do a price prediction here, a price range from here where it is up here to around here, see that's like 86.20%. Yeah, so you could ride it up to here, take some money here. It's going to go back down unless it does something like this. I will just draw it out for you. It could actually come back down here like so, come back down here. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, it could even come down here first. Yeah, it could come down even here first, so it could come down here like that, like so, and then start to make its way back up. That is one way of looking at it. Yeah, the other way, we could be coming up here like this and just making more gains like that on its way up. Yeah, on its way up we could be making more gains to the top here. Sorry, right, yeah, like so, before it comes back down here like so. So that is my prediction here on this super jump. Let's put this different color for you. This super jump coin. That is my two predictions there. I'm thinking there we need to go up here. Don't ask me why, but just my analysis on this super jump coin. I think we're going to go up here before we go straight down here. But we will keep a close eye on this one, this super jump coin. That jump is all in the news at the moment. Okay, let's. Do we want to look at something else? Let's look at something else before we go. This was another mega. This is another sort of Trump coin with a picture of Trump anyway here. It hit the bottom, I think. Now let's take a real close look at this one. I think it hit the bottom. Let's go. If I cancel these out, maybe will we run even better? All right, let's see what's going on here. Oh gosh, I don't know what's going on, man. I don't know what's going on. It's not happy. It's not happening today. Hold on, guys. Hold on. It just don't want to work now. I think I might have to come back in another video if it doesn't come. I don't know why it's doing this. I don't know why it's not connecting. It's not connecting, guys. So I'll have. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna come back tomorrow